Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. So welcome to the essetinoartists YouTube channel where we talk about money, marketing, and mindset. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how much money our YouTube videos make from the Google AdSense revenue. People are always curious about these kinds of things, and when we first tell people that we are YouTubers and we make money full-time from YouTube, the first question is, how do you make money on YouTube? And one of the ways is with Google AdSense revenue. Basically, it's those commercials that happen at the beginning, middle, and at the end of your videos. Sometimes there might be a little graphic that pops up on the bottom or on the side. Any advertising that happens on or around your videos. All right, so I'm in my YouTube dashboard right now, and I've got a bar chart showing you our top earning videos. Now you'll notice right away that I've got it set to lifetime, which means the entire duration of the channel. Now it says November 14th, 2010 to May 8th, which was yesterday, 2021. It's May 9th today. But I just want to note here that we signed up for YouTube in 2010, but we didn't actually take our channel seriously until 2015, and I would say that the majority of the money has been made from 2018 and onwards. Actually, probably 2019 and onwards. That's when our Google ad revenue really started to increase. Okay, so let's get into the juicy stuff here. Our highest earning video, this one right here, is a video we did on Adobe Acrobat, which is a software that has to do with PDFs, and this video in particular was how to make a PDF fillable. So our YouTube channel is about money, marketing, and mindset, and it's a business channel. It's a business tutorial channel. So all of our videos are pretty much tutorial videos. We have some vlogs when we do adventures.
3, 2, 1.
We do a weekly live stream where we answer people's questions, but for the most part, it is how-to tutorial videos. And you can see that our highest earning video, this is on one single video, made $6,777. That is in US. I'm in Canada, so if I quickly go to a currency converter here, that's about generally $8,224 Canadian. Now, obviously not every video does this. We have almost 1,500 videos on our channel, and this is our best one. I have the 10 here, the top 10, and here on this chart, it's going to show the top 50. So it's just showing a small insight to our best performing videos because, like I just said, we do almost have 1,500 videos. And for a tutorial channel on YouTube, I find that, it's pretty much a numbers game. And in life in general, it's pretty much a numbers game. The more you try, the more you put yourself out there, the more likely something's gonna stick. So I look at everything as a numbers game. So when we were first starting out our YouTube channel, barely any subscribers, I kept telling myself that with every video I was putting out, that one of these days, one of them's gonna work, one of them's gonna get views, one of them's gonna hit, one of them's gonna make a lot of money. All right, so let's see here. Video number 9 is the cost of selling on Etsy, and this video was from 2019 as it has that title, the year in the title, and that was $5,269. Which if we go here, 5,269 is about 6,394. Video number 8 was Facebook Marketplace. So how to sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace, step-by-step instructions. That made about $3,900. So that's about probably going to be 4,600 Canadian. Another one here for Adobe, 3,400. Another one on Etsy, 2,900. This one was about Zoom, 2,800. This one was about a specific piece of camera gear, 1,200. Wow, this one's an old one. This was about Twitter, and that was in 2017. That's at 900. Again, Twitter, another Twitter video for 2016 at 900. And funny enough, this is a video showing you how to add ads on your YouTube videos, like in the middle of your videos. This video has made about $900. So these are the top 10, the top earning videos for Google AdSense revenue. Now, these aren't the top earning videos for other forms of income. For example, there are other videos that are not on this list that have made us a lot of money in service-based stuff. So people will see our videos and then contact us directly and then want to hire us to do YouTube coaching, or hire us to design a PDF document, or hire us to help with course creation. These are just literally the Google AdSense money makers. Also, these aren't the top videos that have made us affiliate income. That's another form of income that you can make from your YouTube videos. Now, if we scroll down here, it has all the videos listed in order, and if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, there are 50 videos in this list. The 50th video is at $205 US. These are the top earning 50 videos. Now, when we were first starting our YouTube channel and I would be putting out a tutorial video, we would put out tutorial videos 3 to 4 times a week. I would just tell myself that I want this video to earn $1. $1 because my whole mantra of this is a numbers game. I knew that if I got to, let's say, 500 videos, then that would be $500 a month. Or if I got to 1,000 videos, then that would be $1,000 a month. Now, with having that thinking, that helped us push out videos on a consistent, regular basis. Because by that thinking, let's just get this video to make $1, right? One step at a time. Because I knew that eventually some of them would make way more than $1, which on the charts here, it shows that they have. I really like doing how-to tutorial videos. One, they seriously help people. Every day I get comments from people saying that they enjoyed our video, it helped them with the problem. That's first and foremost. Second, how-to tutorial videos are highly monetizable. Now, it depends what area you're in. I'm in the business niche here, but there are always products and services with how-to tutorials. I'll just give you an example, Adobe Acrobat. So there's tons of online services that are trying to compete with Adobe Acrobat, that their ads show up on our videos. There are courses on Adobe Acrobat. There's Adobe Acrobat, the company itself. Etsy. People have tons of courses on Etsy. And these are the kinds of people that would advertise on these kinds of videos, right? Facebook Marketplace. People have tons of courses on how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So you see what I'm saying is that these videos do really well for various different factors. It's a how-to tutorial. I'm English speaking. I'm here in Vancouver, Canada. It's on a topic that is highly monetizable, meaning that there are lots of products and services that other entrepreneurs and other businesses would advertise on my videos because that's the audience that they want to reach. But at the end of the day, what I really want to hone in to you guys, even if you're not a business channel and you're doing how-to tutorials, or you're doing videos on something else in general, what I really want to get across is that it's a numbers game. You gotta be consistent, keep shooting. Like in basketball, like in any sport where you have to score a goal or a point. The more shots you take, the more you're going to get in. If you do not take any shots, you do not throw the basketball at the hoop or the net, it has no chance of getting in. Like I always teach my students, keep putting yourself out there, keep being consistent, know that this is a numbers game, and if you continue to improve yourself, obviously don't keep putting out stuff that isn't working. With our whole YouTube journey, we've just been getting better and better each year. As long as you're doing that, things will start to work for you. Like I said, we've been doing YouTube since 2015. It's our full-time thing. We love teaching people how to start their own YouTube channels and grow their own following and make their own income with whatever channel they want to start. It's our passion to help others find their power in themselves and create something for themselves. So if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel yourself and you want some one-on-one help, feel free to reach out to us. We'll have a link down in the description. We do offer YouTube coaching. We have created amazing results for our students. All right, guys, I hope this gives you some insight to what's possible for you on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.